Alright, this video is for cse91 Fall 2008 homework number 4. I will be demonstrating Notepad++. It's a nifty little text editor that I discovered on the UCSD workstations here. I've used it for pretty much every coding assignment over the past year and a half now. It's free. You can find it just by Googling it, and this is their webpage. You just go to the download section and download a build. I'm using version 5.0 because 5.1.1 doesn't seem to want to work for me on Vista, but you can play around with that, I guess. Notepad++ is rather nifty. It has context highlighting for pretty much any language you could want. So open up an HTML file or a .c file or a Java file. It has different context matching for each one, and you can customize them in the style configurator. Choose your own size, font, and color, or any other style modifications. One of the really useful things about this editor is it can work in any different format. So if I'm working on a file that's on a server or on a Unix server on Windows, it will, when I save it on the server, it won't have all the annoying *m characters at the end. So if I'm too lazy to go to the lab or reboot into Linux, I can just do quick edits using Notepad++. You can see there's a lot of options for encoding in formats, as well as languages for the style. Right. Another rather useful feature is the ability to split windows. So if I open the .h file for the C file, I can open it in another view, so that I don't have to have a separate window open at the same time. I can just go back and forth between the two side by side. And another useful feature, but I think most text editors have, is a ruler, which you can't see right now, but I have a ruler set the 80 character limit so that my lines do not go beyond 80 characters and lose me points on style. Very important. It also has a built-in console for obviously console commands. I don't usually use it for when I'm working on the server because I need to use the server command prompt. But if I'm working like on a Java file on my machine, I can like compile it or run it or anything else I could do through a normal command prompt without having to have a separate window open. I think that's pretty much it. It's pretty much the only text editor I use for assignments or small projects, whether it's HTML, CSS, Java, C, C++. I'll usually use this over an IDE when I'm working in Windows. So yeah, it's been a very useful program for me.